Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to prevent download in Google Drive. So if you want to prevent download in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to configure any file that you want to share. So for the other user not to be able to download or to prevent the other user from download. So for example, I'm going to pick up this file, then I'm going to right click on it, then I'm just going to tap on the share icon. Then another option will open right in front of the share, then just tap on share. So now if I want to share this file, and I'm the owner of this file and my name is written on it, so I can simply restrict this person or a person I want to share the file with, because I'm just going to input the Gmail of the person I want to share this file. So I'm just input the Gmail, then add them to the link or copy the link and share them the link to this particular file. As I can also restrict only people with access can open with the link, so I can only grant access from here. And if I want to prevent download, I just have to click on this gear button. Then from here I will make sure I uncheck this particular option, which is viewers and commenters can see to download, print and copy. So in order not to see them to download that, I have to make sure I uncheck this option. Then that is how you can see settings updated. So that means whenever they are viewing this file, you won't be able to download this file or print or copy this file, because this option has been unchecked, which is to prevent other users or those have access to this file, they have been prevented from downloading this file. And that is how to prevent download in Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.